In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card in Monarch Money. Whether you're just getting started with this app or looking to refine the management of your finances, adding a card is a vital step to keep track of everything in one place. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Monarch Money website. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. If this is your first time visiting the site, you might need to create an account. But assuming you already have one, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, which is the main hub where you can view your financial overview. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts section. You can typically find this by looking for an Accounts tab or button, which should be easily visible from the main dashboard. Click on that and you'll be directed to a screen showing all your current accounts. Here you'll have the option to add a new account, which is what we're going to do. Look for a button or link that says add account and click on it. This will allow you to connect new accounts to your Monarch profile. Once you've clicked add account, you'll be presented with the choice to connect banks and credit cards. This is crucial because it allows Monarch to fetch and synchronize your financial data, ensuring you have a comprehensive view at your fingertips. Click on Connect Banks and Credit Cards. This action will open a new interface where you can select your bank or the card issuer you want to add to your Monarch account. You'll be given a list to choose from and you should find your bank or credit card issuer there. Simply go through the list or use the search function to locate the right one. After selecting your financial institution, the next step will be to verify your identity. For security reasons, you'll likely be asked to enter your phone number. This is an important step to ensure your account's integrity and protect your data. Enter your phone number carefully and double check it to avoid any verification issues. After inputting your phone number, you'll likely be prompted to continue. Go ahead and click on the continue button. This step might include a few more prompts or confirmations depending on your bank's security protocols. Each financial institution has a slightly different process, but generally, a verification code may be sent to your phone, which you'll need to input back into the system to complete the linking process. And that's it! Your card is now successfully added to Monarch Money, providing you with a seamless way to view and manage your finances directly from your Monarch dashboard. With this setup, you can take full advantage of all the financial tracking and management tools Monarch Money has to offer.